Assalamualaikum students, in this video we will talk about paper 2015 second year accounting board of intermediate education. We are talking about the topic of non-profit organization. You are watching commerce lecture online. This is the question: a summary received in payment of Aziz Sports Club for the first year ended December 31 2014 is as follows. This is their receipt side, this is their payment side. Actually this is their cash book or the cash account, which is giving you the details regarding the receipt of cash and payment of cash. Subscription income received rupees 2,80,000. Interest on investment in bonds, which is their income, they had received it rupees 1,000. Due to sale of match tickets, their income is 70,000. Profit from sale of refreshments is rupees 10,000. It's reprinted, it's only once. Salaries is 30,000. This is their expense which they had paid. Ground rent is 52,000. Again an expenditure which they had paid. Purchase of sports goods. It's a sports club and sports goods are their fixed assets. So they had spent money on this purchase of fixed asset, that is 1,20,000. So we will consider it as an asset, and if balance sheet is required it will go there. We will not be considering this purchase of asset as their expense. Only the depreciation on it should be recorded as an expense. Sports expenses are 28,000. Match expenses are 22,000. Miscellaneous expenses are 21,000. These are all their expenses. Additional information on December 31, 2013 is subscription includes 6,000 for the year 2015. It means this amount of subscription 2,80,000 do include some amount which has been received in advance. So this 6,000 should be treated as their unearned subscription income, and it should be subtracted from this amount in order to calculate the final amount of subscription income. Subscription receivable for the year 2014 is 8,000. It means this is their earned income but which they had not received it. So this 8,000 should be added in this. Outstanding salaries are 2,000. We had paid these salaries, but these 2,000 is still unpaid, or you can say it's still an outstanding salaries expense on the Aziz Sports Club. Interest on investment is accrued. This interest is still receivable. If the word accrued is within income, it means it is receivable. If the word accrued is written with any expense, it means it is still payable. So now we will consider this 1,000 as our interest which is still receivable, and it should be added in our interest income. Depreciation charge on fixed asset is 10%. We can see only one fixed asset, that is sports goods here, and we will be calculating depreciation 10% on this amount, and the depreciation amount will be 12,000. You are required to prepare income expenditure account for the year ended December 31, 2014. As I told you, this additional information is helpful for us to adjust these accounts before we proceed with income expenditure account. And for adjusting them, it's easier to record the entries for our own self as a rough work, and then to adjust these amounts finally in their amounts before we proceed with income expenditure account. ये सब्सक्रिप्शन अगले साल की हमने पहले से ले ली, तो ये अनअर्न्ड है जो हमारी इनकम को कम करेगी. इट शुड बी डेबिटेड एंड अनअर्न्ड शुड बी क्रेडिटेड. जो सब्सक्रिप्शन आपने रिसीव करनी है अभी तक, वो इस साल की इनकम में ऐड होना चाहिए. Therefore, subscription receivable debit and income credit. Salaries expense और payable या outstanding salaries की वजह से. Accrued interest को हम अभी भी receivable और income consider करेंगे. Depreciation sports goods पे हमने consider कर लिया. If you are new on the channel, click on subscribe button for more videos. Now after that rough work, we will proceed to our income expenditure account of Aziz Sports Club. Subscription details we had seen. This was given in receipt side. ये हमने इस साल का जो अभी तक रिसीव नहीं किया वो ऐड करें, और जो अगले साल का पहले से रिसीव कर लिया उसे माइनस करें. सो द फाइनल एडजस्टेड अमाउंट विल बी 2,82,000 एज आर इनकम फॉर दिस ईयर फॉर अजीज स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट 2,000 हो गया. एक साल 1,000 हमने लिया था, 1,000 अभी भी रिसीवेबल था, अर्न इनकम है, ऐड होगी. मैच टिकट्स की इनकम आएगी, इनकम फ्रॉम सेल ऑफ रिफ्रेशमेंट्स आएगी। एक्सपेंसेस देख लें, सैलरीज जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है वो ऐड होंगी। जो स्पोर्ट्स के एक्सपेंसेस हुए वो हमारा एक्सपेंस है, एक्सपेंसेस साइड पे आएगा। ग्राउंड रेंट, मैच एक्सपेंसेस, मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस, डेप्रिसिएशन एक्सपेंस, दीज ऑल आर आर एक्सपेंसेस। सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स हमारे लिए परचेज ऑफ एसेट है, उसे छोड़ के हम बाकी चीज़ें यहाँ अपने एक्सपेंसेस में कंसिडर करेंगे। इनकम्स का टोटल करें, एक्सपेंसेस के टोटल को उसमें से माइनस करें। इनकम्स का टोटल ग्रेटर है तो डिफरेंस हमारा सरप्लस कंसीडर होगा। अगर सपोज एक्सपेंसेस का टोटल होता तो डेफिसिट आता और यहाँ पर आता। Surplus amount is 1,97,000. We will write it on the side which is lesser in total, and this is how our total will be equalized, or you can say our income expenditure account will be balanced. We are done with this. Click on subscribe button for more videos. Like the channel, like the video, share the video. Keep watching Commerce Lecturer Online.